Keep going.
Yeah, that's
Don't
great.
fall asleep under there. Hey everyone, welcome to Sephora Countdown. I'm your host and beauty director, David. And today, our contestant is one of our beautiful Sephora Squad members, known for her striking and gorgeous makeup looks, as well as her fun personality, girl. Ty, how are you?
I'm fantastic, David.
Are you ready?
Yes.
We're gonna have some fun today. Let's get into our first challenge.
I love me a good scent. And a good lip combo.
That
Delicious.
is. Now the question is, how do these all fit together? Well, they really don't, and that's the challenge. So what you need to do is, in a minute, apply this gorgeous lip trio and also get the packaging off of this perfume. That plastic packaging that's almost invisible to the eye, but is there. That's your challenge. We've got a minute on the clock, and we're gonna start right now. Okay. Oh, you don't have to do both at the same time, but I'm feeling proud of it, girl.
Actually, I'll try both.
Okay. Oh, the lip liner went on fast and furious. Wow. Okay. You have 45 seconds. Oh, she took the fast route there. Okay. Actually, girl, you did that real good. I thought the lip was gonna be the hardest part. Oh, wow, 25 seconds. Oh, you've started it. Destroy it. Okay, you got me. Oh, there we go. Okay, with time to spare, you want, Atta-girl. Time to spare, you did it, you got it open, you got your lip on. Let me see the lip. Okay, you did a really good job. You won.
I did.
So your gift for this one, your reward, is a Biggie Beija Flor Elastic Cream from Sol de Janeiro, the big size. And now it's time for challenge number 2. Are you ready?
I surely am.
Okay, bring in challenge 2. Ooh, exciting. This is Beauty Scoop. So,
Am I eating sponges?
you are not eating sponges. In fact, what you are going to do is you are going to have to scoop up with the spoon at least 5 of these into the tray within 60 seconds. Sounds pretty easy, except for the fact that you have to be blindfolded. And you got to get them into the tray.
Oh, wow.
So we're going to need you to put on the blindfold, and we're going to put 60 seconds on the clock, and go. Okay, she's getting some. Okay, you might not have something. Okay. All right, keep going, scooping. Remember, you only have a minute to get the beauty blenders in. You are actually really good at this. Wow, that was a good one. That was a very good one. Okay, wow, maybe, there it is. Yup, that's it, put it in. Oh my God. You're really good at this. Are you sure you can't see?
You literally can't. I'm just winging it.
Seriously though? Like, okay, now you're just scooping empty soup. All right, then wait a minute. You just won, like the mega challenge, like you got them all.
Did I really?
You're good, you won. You literally beat that mastered magna cum laude.
I'm just so talented.
You won the Dyson Corral straightener. Yes, you did. All right, let's bring in challenge 3.
Here we go.
Here it comes, the unlimited budget of this game show. What's going on? There's a bag. There are products coming out. So let me explain to you your challenge. We're gonna call this one On a Roll.
Okay.
Because your challenge is to roll at least 6 of these 8 products into that bag. So it sounds easy until you start to see some of these products. We're gonna set the minute timer and go.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, okay, that was one. You got one. That was the easy one. She went right for the easy. Oh, it didn't go off, so you can keep trying it as long as it doesn't fall off the end. Oh, you did that one. Okay. Well, you learned. Oh, girl, that was a donut. Oh, okay, but you still can go. Oh, okay, try for the last two. Keep going. You have 30 seconds. Keep going. Okay, I don't know how many you got in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You did it. You won all 3 challenges. It's never been done before.
Oh my God.
You're a master. Do you want to know what your prize is for this one?
$1 billion?
A bottle of Gucci Flora.
That's still nice.
Still good though.
That's
still good.
It's not $1 billion,
but it's still good. It's still good. Well, I had a blast. We clearly have a master of Sephora countdown here. Ty is our ultimate champion, yet to be dethroned. So stick around for the next episode of Sephora Countdown, and we'll see if we can get anyone else to win so easily. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.
Bye.